Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, let's do something a little bit different. I have a mystery bag. It's not a mystery to me, but it will be a mystery to you. But if you guys saw my recent video, What's in My Bag plus story time, this video is related to that video. First off, thank you to all of you that watched the video, that left sweet comments, and that, slid into my DMs to leave me your little notes of encouragement and stuff. I really, truly appreciate it. It was a little bit of a nerve-wracking video to put out there, but I'm glad I did because I know that it's helped some of you. So to follow up to that, I told you guys that I was going to probably pop out to Target and get another bag to bring with me on the road because that other one was just starting to fall apart. Now here's the thing, I looked at the selection online at Target and I did not like it. Target bags are kind of pricey for what they are. Most of them that I was looking at was like $40 to $50 and they weren't that great. So I was a little bit discouraged, and then I found myself on ye old Amazon. Now I don't love to give my money to Amazon, but sometimes they're just the only place to find exactly what you need. So I gave my money to little Jeffy B, and here we are. We have a mystery bag. So this one had a ton of amazing reviews. I looked through all the pictures. Here's the thing. There was some pictures that showed that the bag arrived very crumpled and pretty much not usable if you wanted it to look how it should look. And others saying that it was amazing, amazing quality, all this and that. And it was $40. I loved the look of it. So I was like, okay, let's take a risk and see. So I got this in last week, but I didn't have time to film. So it has been sitting in my closet, wrapped up, and it has been taunting me because I've been dying to open it. But because of those mixed reviews, I wanted to open it up with you guys on camera, and we can see together whether this is a fab or a fail. So just to tell you, this does come in 8 colors and 2 different varieties. It is kind of like a Birkin style of bag. So there are 6 styles or colors that come with a fob dangling off of it, kind of like the Birkin has the little keeper thingy. And then there are 2 colors that have a tassel. I chose the tassel and I got mine in grayish. And then they also have black in the tassel. All the others are like black, navy, orange, red, pink, gray, something like that. So there is kind of a flavor for everybody out there, whether you want to go bold or subdued. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous. I really hope that it works out, because if it does, this will probably be the last truck bag that I buy. I'm hoping that it will last for 2 years or so, and then we won't be trucking anymore. But I thought that since this is kind of a workish, classic kind of looking bag, it might be really good for some of you. I know I have a lot of my age group people. I don't have a whole lot of younger followers, which is awesome. I like that I have, kind of my contemporaries. So the majority of my viewers are like 25 to 45, and I feel like I am older than I am. So I feel like that's kind of a perfect range. So I know a lot of you are like working professionals. You need a lot of space in your bags. You need your bags to multitask. So maybe we will all like this bag. And the price is right if the quality is right. So let's dig right into this and see. So here it is. It does seem, just feeling it, it seems like it is not crumpled in. Like other people have said, the sides feel very flat. So I hope that that's the case. It did come in a box, so like a hard-sided cardboard box, whereas I did see other people get it in a bag, but I did order other stuff at the same time, so maybe that's why They kind of grouped everything together and it got to go in a box. If it came in a bag, I don't know if it would have kept its shape as well. So there's that. It does appear to come with its own dust bag, which I will probably never use. And it does seem to be wrapped up in another kind of fiber bag inside of here. So overall, the presentation, just looking at it right now, does seem pretty good. But we're going to open it up right now and we're just going to see. Here's the opening on the bottom. Oh, feels like Christmas. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take the plastic one off. There's that. Toss that on the floor like my life. Here is the dust bag that it comes in. It's very cheap feeling. It definitely ain't no Coach satin bag or anything like that. But there you go. The brand also is apparently Heinz Victory, which honestly makes me think of ketchup, but whatever. So there's that bag. I mean, maybe I would use this as like a dirty clothes bag when traveling, but there's that. I see the bottom. Okay, I just got to do it. So the bottom is exposed here. It feels not spectacular, but it is the bottom, so I would want that to be a little bit more durable. So let's hope. Here is that. It had cardboard on the front and on the back right here, so that helped to maintain its shape a little bit. Here she is, guys. What do you think? Okay, so this is the general idea. Okay, so let's rip her off like a Band-Aid. Ooh, okay. Take her little tassel cover off. And let's rip these handles off. Not the handles. Let's not rip the handles off. Go full Hulk over here. But let's take the protective stuff off. And there's a little card thingy on here. Let's see what that says. So it has the name of it on here, Heinz Victory. And it has the silhouette. And, oh, this is actually kind of nice. So it has this little card, and it pulls out. And it says, "Dear customer, thank you for your recent purchase of our Heinz Victory product." That name. "Our quick and helpful customer service, blah, blah, blah. Also, we would be very happy if you are satisfied with the bag you received and welcome to share your happiness with us. Here's how. Write a feedback or product review on Amazon. Post a few pictures or show a video at our Heinz Victory Instagram page. Thank you. Care instructions. Remove smell from a brand new bag. Allow to air. Choose somewhere outdoors and leave for a day if possible." Yeah, I would leave this outdoors and the squirrels would make a home in it. "How to clean. Wipe the bag inside and out with a clean, damp, soft cloth. Soft cloth. Do not wash, dry clean, or bleach." So, I mean, it is nice that this is included in here. And actually, it's nicely kind of sparkly paper. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but that's cute. I like that. I like their hustle. But, let's see. Here she is. Okay, so the tassel needs to kind of live its life a little bit and get adjusted, but here she is. What do we think? I got mine in grayish, so let's just go off on a little tangent real quick. I got it in grayish because our house is very grayish toned, like the outside. A lot of the interior paint colors that the former owner chose, and I love it. I love the color scheme because gray is like my thing, and especially gray that is more leaning to like lighter toned, like grayish. And so I call our house the Grayish Lady. And whenever I saw that this came in literally grayish, I was like, yes, it's calling out my name. So, oh, I hope that the strap is in here because there's supposed to be a strap in here. So here is the back. It has the logo right here. We've got the tassel. If you choose one of the other 6 colors, it has a little fob thingy on here. It has the strap things right here on either side. It has a back zip pocket. I like that the little zipper pull is kind of big and not cheap looking. Here's what it looks like from the top. You have 2 zipper pockets on the front and back, and then this inside zipper opens up to the inside compartment here. Let's take a look. There is a strap. There's also a nice little bag to keep its shape, and another one of those silica things. Why do they still use these? I don't really get it, but okay, whatever. And another one. Oh. Here is the strap. It looks nice. It has nice gold hardware. It matches the bag. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. I do love, it's dead. I've killed the bag. I have killed the bag. She is on the ground. Let's throw her in the garbage. No, so here is the strap, and I do like that it is adjustable. So there are 5 different holes, and it looks like they're about 1.5 inches apart. And then the overall strap is pretty long, and this is on the middle strap hole. So I'll go ahead and put this on here because then we can see what it looks like on. So there is it with the strap on. And then you can also pop this open on either side so that you either have a kind of slimmer, more tapered look, or you can really stuff it full and have it be more wide on top. So now what I'm seeing here is that on the inside, they do have a back zippered pocket here. And then in the front, there are 2 slip pockets. One of them is a little bit more rounded out and one of them is a little bit bigger. And then there's just the one big open compartment in here. And then, of course, along the sides, you have these 2 open compartments that you can zip up. So this is really nice, actually. I'm pretty pleased with it. The lining is pretty nice. It has, you know, like the little patch that says the name of it in here. One thing that I don't particularly love is this, because you do have the zipper that is only partially across there. You do get the little zipper thing down here that is like kind of just hanging around, but it's not that big of a deal. I would pretty much always just have this open, so no biggie. Overall though, feeling it, it doesn't feel like real leather. I don't think it claimed to be real leather, but it is nice though. It feels nice. It's soft, but it's kind of a plasticky soft, but I could see that it would be extremely easy to clean because it would just completely wipe away. I like the size of the handles. I like the feel of them. I could fit it on my fat little arm here, which is always a plus. And it does have little feet on the bottom to protect it. The bottom does feel quite sturdy. Yeah, this is not bad. But let's just real quick toss to our field reporter so that we can see what this beauty looks like in its natural habitat. Yes, Lindsay, thank you. So great to see you. You're looking good. Today we are here with the Heinz Victory Bag. No relation to the Condiment Kings, but they did allow us to use their house to film in. How beautiful is she looking? Oh, she's stunning. Look at how much room there is. We are loving her, right? What do we think? Is she stunning? She is stunning. Do we love this bag? We love it. Back to you in the studio, Lindsay. Don't worry, I hate me as much right now as you do. But you gotta admit, that was kind of fun, right? So overall, oh my gosh, I'm super impressed with this. I like this bag. I almost feel like I need more colors. This is what happens whenever I find an inexpensive bag that is nice and I like the design of. I will typically buy 2 or 3 colors of it so that I can have like backups, you know, and sometimes I just don't feel like carrying around my more pricier bags because I'm a mess and I don't want to ruin them. So this would be a perfect just running around bag for me. And it's nice and roomy inside. You can fit a lot of stuff in there, and look at how wide the bottom is. Like, that's a decent sized interior, you know, of everything that you can fit in there. So this is a win for me. I will, of course, update you after I've been using it and let you know if it craps out on me. But looking at the stitching and stuff, it looks nice. So I don't anticipate there being issues. All of the stitching looks nice and even. I'm impressed, guys. I am impressed. I think this is definitely one of those Amazon purchases that ended up working out, because sometimes, you know, you never know what you're going to get from there. So there you guys go. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some good information out of it, and I hope that you got a little bit of entertainment too. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.